All right, our tip of the week this week, we're going to be talking about moving data via spreadsheets with consultants. So this workflow really helps us and allows us of what's going to be brought in into Archicad. You can now filter what is going to be imported when you bring that information back in. So if it has a checkbox next to it, you choose if that's what you want to bring in, you select that there. Okay, you're going to see a lot of different, colors, and those colors have a meaning attached to them. So let's go through a couple of what those are. If the information is black, such as this construction type line, okay, that's black, that's black. That is valid data and will be imported. If it's grayed out like any of this up here, those are items that will not be imported. If we have the blue right here, blue means that that is duplicated or a duplicated element from what you already have on your spreadsheet. If we have an orange, the orange data means that is hidden in Archicad due to an add-on. And our warning triangle here, that property does not exist in our target project. Okay, so we would need to go in and add the fire rating property in order for that to be used in Archicad. If all of that data is okay, we can simply select the boxes that we're going to be used and we say input. The data entered from your consultants is now accessible within your Archicad model.